Promise.finally method in JavaScript. Promise.finally method in JavaScript is used to specify a callback function that will be executed when the promise is settles, whether the promise is resolved or rejected. This is useful for executing cleanup logic. For example, in a file upload feature, we want to display a loading while the file is being uploaded, but we want to hide the loading when the upload completes, whether successfully or with an error. For this, we make a function upload file which take file as input. Then settle the promise with the condition. Then we take one file with name and size and show loading. Then write upload file and pass file as input. Then pass response returned by upload file and console log the response. Then catch the error and console log the error. Then finally, console log the final message. And it first shows loading, then after uploading the file it shows operation completed. If I make is success false, then also it shows loading, and it reject the promise but shows the final message operations completed.